I did a while back, and I never posted the video for it. I might put a snippet in at the very beginning, but I struggled. The struggle was real with this one. I was trying to do a black and white painting with red and gold. Should be super simple, right? No, it was not. So my paints were too thin. The white started to crack and break with all the paint underneath it. I puddle poured instead of did a line, zigzag line through the middle. Didn't care for that either. It was a hot mess, and I fiddled with it for like 30 minutes, and I could not make it into anything presentable. So I didn't want to post that video for you guys, but I wanted you to see that, and the whole purpose of this is if you don't like one of your paintings, figure out why. Don't just say, oh, I don't like it. Say, well, what don't I like? So that you can kind of put it into your bank of things to do and figure it out for the next time. So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to take something that I didn't like, but that was a good concept, and recreate it, knowing what I know now, to redo something. So I hope that you guys take that and can do that as well with your art. So anywho, that was my soapbox for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and get painting. All right, you guys, so like I said, this was the hot mess that I tried. Excuse me. So I had black side, white side, and I wanted to do kind of like a Dutch pour with the black and white base because you guys had been asking for it. But what I did is I puddled here and I puddled here, and I blew out this way and this way. And I don't think I want to do that. I think, if I can't stress anything else, learn from your mistakes. I looked at this painting, I hated it. My white was too thin. I wanted to save the canvas, so I just let it dry. I'm gonna paint over it because the paints were thin. But look at it and see what don't you like. So I liked the black and white side. I loved the red, and the gold came out very pretty, but I didn't like the way that it blew out this way, and I didn't like how thin the white was. So this time I think I'm gonna squiggly line down the center and blow it out this way and just have this whole part white and this whole part black. That's what I'm thinking, because the color took over here. So we'll see if that actually happens, okay? So I'm gonna start with, and I kept my colors a little bit thicker than usual this time. Well, I don't know how to draw a straight line, you guys, huh? And I don't care if it's like super duper straight, because they're gonna blend together and the colors will be there. Now I don't wanna use too much color. And so let me blow this part out first. Okay, and then I'm gonna pour my white on this side. So let me blow that out. I don't like that I had this section in there. It's already getting a cell reaction up there. I didn't mean to. Just pour that that white part right there. Okay. That's okay, because I'm going to have color there. Okay. Get my sides covered. This new one. All right. So, minimal colors, red, gold, black, and white. So I'm going to start with the red, and I'm going to do the red more on the black side. Going to do the gold. Yeah, I think this is going to work out better. Just a tiny bit of black. And just a tiny bit of white. And now I'm gonna do, whoa! Somebody commented on my channel and said, Molly says she'll put a little bit of white, dumps the whole container. Totally true of me, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna do, in the other, and I didn't post the video because, you know, what was the point of that one? But in the other one, I blew black over one and white over the other. So now I'm just gonna get this on the sides. Okay. Okay, so no true cells yet. My white might be a little bit thick. I'm gonna torch and see what happens. I think I'm gonna blow out this way and out this way. And this little, it's gonna bother me. Oh, there's a lot of white under there anyway. Uh-oh, too much white. Okay, let's see. See what happens. That's what this is about, right? Oh, wow. I really like it now. Sorry, probably sounds super annoying, but I really like it now. This is gonna bother me that it's not white. Gonna blow a little over here. Oh, I hope that red dries that vibrant. This is beautiful. And then I'm just gonna, there's color under here, so I'm gonna blow right there, and then I'm gonna be done. By done, I meant I'm gonna blow just a little bit more. I wanna blow right here. I don't wanna get my chest in it. Okay. I'm gonna take you guys down and show you because I love it now. Oh, wow. Okay, let me take you down and show you. And I'll probably torch this one more time. Actually, let me do that. So I'll torch it while I'm here. Let's see if anything else pops up. Not really. Wow. Okay, you guys Please let me know what you think of this one. I really, really like it. I might have to go bigger on this one because, yeah. I might have maybe wanted a little bit more gold right through here. I don't know if I should blow it now and figure it out or what, but I think I'm done. I think I'm leaving it. I'm not messing with it anymore, guys. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Happy painting. Bye. So I wanted to show you guys what I mean when I say that the description is below the video. This is just one of my videos, and there is an arrow that's right beside the title that if you click it, it brings up an entire description box. It's got all my discount codes, it's got my Amazon store, it's got my PayPal links, it's got all my social media links so you can find me to send me pictures, and then below that are all the comments. So you can see all my descriptions. I tell you guys a little story. I talk about what colors I'm using, my pouring medium. So I know a lot of you already knew where that was, but I wanted to show it for those that don't. And if you're on a regular computer screen, then it is, it's there and it says see more underneath it. So you'll have to click the see more instead. But I just wanted to show you guys that.